Hi everyone, I want to especially welcome you to today's live trading session. So far, all our live trading sessions have been phenomenal and amazing as we've been able to learn much, and I've been able to guide you in your trading and also to put a lot of things through. Last week, we were able to answer a few questions, a few suggestions, and also looked at a few topics that were nominated and suggested by participants. And today will not be different. Okay. So, meanwhile, Happy New Year. It's a beautiful year. It's a new year. And I strongly believe that this is your year to attain certain level of success in this career. You've been through the times of learning, all the processes of trying to learn and equip yourself with the system, and this is that year that you should gain. Okay, you should gain from your experience, you should profit from your labor. Okay, so as usual, I'd like you to begin to share the live video. Share the live video link. So as usual, I'd like you to begin to share the live video. Share the links to your friends. As usual. I was just trying to check the audio to be sure that the feedback is okay. So please share the link. Share the link, okay? Share it to your friends, your colleagues, your contacts. Let them know that we are live, okay, currently. And we're talking issues that are pertaining to trading that can help everyone to be successful in their various career. And then for you who has connected, that's pertaining, let us know where you are watching from, what country, what city, what region are you watching from. Excuse me. Then if peradventure you have a particular topic you would like us to talk about, let's say we don't have enough allowance to take it in this particular live trading session, excuse me, you could actually list it out on the comment section. Just go straight to the comment section and say the topic. Okay, where are you watching from? Just keep sharing where you're watching from. Where you're watching from. Share the links. Share the links. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I expect you to do the same thing. Okay, sending out the links to my contacts immediately, just to let them know that I'm live, and they can take advantage of the opportunity to learn. Take advantage of the opportunity and learn today. So when you come into the live video, let me know where you're watching from. Go to the comment section right there and just comment the country or the city or the town. Just let us know where you're watching from. Then also you could actually tell us what your experience has been. You can share your experience with trading with us. You could tell us what you would like us to talk about, like a topic or thereabout. Then you could also share some of your expectations for the new year or your goals. Okay, just keep the comment section lively and let's interact. What do you think about gold? What do you think about GU? What do you think about the market? For me, I must say that the DXY, which is usually what helps us to know when our GU and EU is moving, has made massive moves in recent times, and that alone confirms the fact that the market has lots of opportunities. In fact, there are many people who thought that last week we're not going to present opportunities, but we saw opportunities as with regards the analysis we took, and we're able to take trades and we're able to make money last week. And even this week, there are some people who are not yet even ready to trade, but just this morning we were already hitting TPs. Okay, we're already making exclusive progress already. So 2025 has already started beautifully. 2025 has already started beautifully and it's going beautifully well. So have you shared the link to your contacts? If you haven't, please do, please do, please do, please do, please do. Share out the links to your contacts. Share out the links to your contact. Let them know that we are live. Okay? Let them know that we are live. So I've actually shared out the link already. Shared out the link already. So it's left for you now to share yours. Immediately I'm going to be starting the time with you. Okay? All right. So quickly, let's go straight to the chat. So much to see in the chat for today. So much to see. So much to see in the chat. All right. So this is our chat. So this is our chat, and if you look at what GU did this morning, first of all, we look at the XY. Like I always say, if you have not yet seen the weekly analysis, you are doing the wrong thing. Seriously, you're doing the wrong thing. First of all, it is the weekly analysis that breaks it down. You know, it tells you what what's really happening. Okay, tells you what's really happening. Because in that analysis, I usually would tell you my market perception, speak to you about my suggested directional bias, tell you exactly what I am seeing, tell you exactly what I expect the market to do. Okay, and most times, because of the winning rate of the strategy I use, it turns out to be as predicted. And that's the reason why we are making money in trading. If we have a strategy that is not productive, it will be difficult to make money. Okay? I thereby say that we will not be profitable. Profitability comes from having a good strategy that has good winning rates. Okay? And I have understood proper risk management and having a good psychology, you can now apply this strategy and watch you make a lot of money from the strategy. So the first thing I said in the beginning of the week was I said the DXY was actually retracing sorry, talking about what I'm seeing now. Sorry, my mind was a little bit divided. Still sharing out some links. DXY was just around this point, and it was indicating as it will continue bearish. Haven't seen the bearish liquidity on the upside and the bullish liquidity on the downside. In my analysis, I said I will be expecting the DXY to do two things. I think it was just around this point. I'll be expecting the DXY to either take me up to this liquidity, or I'll be expecting the DXY to bring me down to. So I said, if DXY for any reasons begins to go bullish, of course it will not go long because there's a bearish liquidity here. I will find my bullish move for EU, sorry, my bearish move for EU and GU. And as at then, we had an open entry for EU that was already running from the previous week. And so because of that, we couldn't close because the target profit was a little bit far. This is beautiful. Check it. You got into this entry from here and you have taken profits. This is just close to 90 pips. 87.2 pips at the beginning of the year is a beautiful result. Okay, beautiful results. And so, haven't seen such kind of a result. I'm just wondering. So, the void that was spotted was clear. In fact, one of the things I want to advise you to do this week is that for those of you on the VIP channel or on the free channel, when an entry is posted, take it, hold it all through. Okay, hold it all through. If you hit stop loss, no problem, no problem. If you hit stake profit, congratulations. Okay, I want to let you know that the winning rate is good. So when you hit stop loss, you hit take profit with good RR, which I've always taught you all in both in the VIP class and the free classes, you will still be profitable. The only time you may have a little bit issues with profitability is when you have, not to say completely perfect winning strategy. Maybe out of 10 entries, you're winning just 5 and you're losing 5. If your RR is bad, that's your risk to reward. You will not make money. Okay? You will not make money. But if for any reasons you are able to spot out, be able to understand that, sorry, please. If you're able to understand if you're able to understand peradventure proper risk management, proper RR, and you take these entries, just take the signals and even go to sleep. Take them, go to sleep, wait for them to hit the take profit, wait for them to hit the stop loss. By Friday, you will have made money. Business is about profit and loss. By the time you take out the losses in the week from the profits in the week, you will be profitable. I bet you on that. Check out this entry. It's 7 pips. We had that beautiful one that was taken out. This one is still here because it was still moving. Imagine it coming to this take profit. This one. Imagine even breaking even just around here and you're still holding and you're still catching. Let's see, from here to here, catching 165 pips. Do you know what I can do for you? That's a lot. I'm telling you, that's a lot. Maybe I should do a few maths on that. Let me do something on that. So I just show you something quickly. Okay? Let me show you what that is. Let's say you're trading a $5,000 account and your stop loss is 1% risk of the 5,000. What it means is if you hit stop loss, your equity or your balance will become 4,950. Okay. It also means that for any reasons you you choose your stop loss as 20 pips. So that means if you hit take profit and your RR is 1/2, it will be increasing by, so it will be plus 100. Okay, which is good RR. So you can see the account is back up with extra 50. So what this means is if 20 pips loss, the 20 pips loss will give you $50 and you cut 165 pips. 165 pips divided by 20 will give you 8.25. So what you were supposed to lose in one entry is already gotten in one entry. So multiply 8.25 by what you were supposed to lose in one entry, which is $50. You're going to have $412.5. This is a lot. This is massive. This is big. So the move that EU made can completely be said that it was a massive move. It was a massive move. Now get ready, the year is already opened. Forget about what you were seeing in December. The reason why you weren't getting most of such kind of entries is, like you all know, the big players, the financial institutions had shutting down, and they are the ones that provide the liquidity. And what moves the market is liquidity. It's not me, it's not you, it's liquidity. We are retail traders, okay? We're not even considered as the big players, okay? The big players are the commercial banks, the central banks, the investment banks, investment companies, people who come into the market with large equity. These are the big players. And towards the end of the year, towards the end of every year, they usually balance their account and they close. So in closure, how do you expect them to move the market? So that's why Decembers are usually, but funny enough, because of the win, because I think that's one of the reasons. The win of Trump gave a massive move on DXY, and that led to a lot of retracements and moves, and that gave us big and beautiful opportunity, which we were able to see in the market. So we made quite some money in December. Unlike every other December, last year December it wasn't so, candles were hardly moving. The other last 2 years December, candles were hardly moving. But this year, December, was so beautiful. We had beautiful moves, beautiful results, and it keeps happening. So, having seen the kind of result we had on EU, you would understand that the year is already running. Are you ready? The year is already running. So, we had EU, we had gold, okay. So, just in case you are on this free live trading session with me, and you are wondering, I'm seeing good, I'm seeing EU, and on the free channel, I only get to see GU. That's it. In the free channel, there are some few signals we post there. We post only GU and GJ. So the GU is GBP USD and GJ is GBP JPY. Okay. For the synthetics, we are posting on the free channel only volatility 25 and only jump 25. Okay, for crypto right now, there's no any crypto we're even posting on the free channel, and that's because we're trading for now because our hands are full with so much. We have so much pairs already that we're trading, unlike last year or the last 2 years where we were trading only one pair GU. Currently, we are trading more than 5 pairs, and even more may still coming because for now I haven't seen us trading Canadian money. So we're going to dive into Canadian money. Get ready for that. So our pairs are even increasing. So because of that, we stick strictly to, most times we stick strictly to Bitcoin and Ethereum because there are so many coins out there in crypto space that we can trade. There are even meme coins. Most of the time we have to just do just Bitcoin and Ethereum because we may not have the whole time to take the rest of them. So that's why you don't have crypto on the channel. So the VIP has everything we are trading. That's why it's called VIP. So if you want to have access to everything we're trading, then you need to be on the VIP. Okay, so this is what Bitcoin already did. I told you get ready that we were gonna post an entry for Bitcoin going to 99,000. Okay, so I think that's just here. Okay, I was just here. So 99, is it 100k? So this is Bitcoin already. So it's already moved. So this is exactly what I used to tell you about my not taking much crypto coin because the hands are already full. Hands are already full. Ethereum already is at the predicted point already. So I have to close this app and load it again. So we're supposed to catch Bitcoin. And take it to 99,000. So, but for some reasons, we didn't get that. Didn't get that because we were busy already with other activities already in the market. So this is it. Bitcoin gave us a break of structure here. I was waiting for the change of character first before we go in so we don't get induced. And this was the change of character. So I haven't gotten the change of character. And I draw my Fibonacci 2. My entry would be anytime within this zone, okay, of which price got very close to this level in the discount zone before it began to go bullish. So this was actually supposed to be an entry point because as long as price is in the discount zone, we can actually go in as smart money traders. Okay. So the entry was just supposed to be somewhere around here. And to take profits, let's see. We might even still get another entry. The take profit is still a little bit far. Okay, so we might still get another entry. Take profit is 100. It's about 100. So let's observe it. Let's observe it and see if there will be any retracements. We'll find it. So profit still far. It's gonna get to 104,000 before we may likely retrace. So until you get there, there's no retracement. Okay. Until you get there, there is no retracement. So that was Bitcoin, and then Ethereum. Same way Bitcoin was analyzed. Okay, and information were posted. That's the same way Ethereum was analyzed. I haven't taken this take profit already. Expecting Ethereum take out. This is to liquidities. It has done that already. So this is out. This is out. We're going to look for the directional bias. But I told you that Ethereum was coming back to 3,700. It's already close. It's 3,696. So I'm going to wait for a retracement. What I'm going to be expecting Ethereum to do is something like this. Then I go. Okay. And if you're ready to go with me, then watch out for the updates. So you must or you should be on the VIP to get that. If you wouldn't get this entry on the free channel. So that's on the crypto. Then we had AU, which is also another Forex pair that was posted. Massive, 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 massive. So AU went straight up to hit a profit. So remember, this particular strategy belongs to someone, a dear guy. I love how he trades. I picked this strategy from him. He trades weeks. He trades weeks, and let me just show you that quickly. So you go down to the 24-hour time frame, you find the weeks. What we found here, I haven't traded the weeks below. We found that price was going to trade on the higher week. So what can you see? The opening of the week and the closing of the week. So this place was 1 point, this place was 1 point. So that point here, because it's going up and the price is going up, cannot be done with buy limit. It can only be done with buy stop. You must understand the difference between buy stop and buy limit as to using your MT5 or MT4. So you go in with buy stop, and then you put your take profit, and then you put your stop loss. And that's what we did. So I haven't spotted and drawn that line on the 4-hour time frame, on the 24-hour time frame. When you come to the 4-hour time frame, you expect to see it play out. But it looks even more beautiful on the 15 minutes time frame. That's why I looked at it on the 15 minutes time frame. So what price did was it went up straight up, got initiated, and went straight to take profits. That was so beautiful. And so let's look at the rest of the other forex pairs while we round up on forex and run straight up into synthetic, and then we close. Okay, so of course synthetic is on the 2 hours time frame. UJ, which is USD JPY, went very close to take profit. That's a good place to close already. And then GJ, okay, we didn't get the entry yet, so I'm gonna get an entry here. I'm gonna get an entry. So I'll find GJ doing this. I'll find it doing this. Okay, I'm gonna watch out for that. Posting update to you once I confirm that. Let's see. EJ is still EG, sorry, is still consolidating. Still consolidating, and it's difficult for us to spot the trend. You know, we use trend move. Okay, what did you talk to an EU? We use trend moves for all of these long trends. So EJ is just doing almost the same thing EG is doing. So we're going to find the entries on EG. Then we have what else? Okay, I posted the entry US 100. Oh, we didn't get initiated. Already at TP. Already at TP. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That would have been a beautiful entry. So we have US 100. Okay, all of them: US 100, Nasdaq, US 100, Nasdaq, US 30, and US oil. So let's look at them quickly. US 100, US oil. Okay, US oil got initiated. It's currently going to take profits. So all of the entries are the entries that I posted just last week, and they're playing out. I think that's last week Friday during the close of the forex trading week. So Nasdaq did exactly what US 30 did. So you can see they play just almost the same way. They play just almost the same way. So Nasdaq did exactly what US 100 did. So let's see what US 30 did. The US 30 also didn't get initiated. It's already close to take profits. All right, so no problem. We're going to draw out our confluences again on all those. I think these are commodities, and we're going to come up again with better entries and post it again for you to be able to see where you could possibly getting a trade for money. Okay, so that will be all for commodities, forex, and crypto. Let's run up straight into the synthetics. All right. So I think we had an entry on synthetics. So I'll need to share my screen for you on the synthetic. Synthetic. Okay. So quickly, let me go there. Synthetic. All right. So that's the synthetic screen. I'm wondering why it's not showing the candles. Let me check and confirm that immediately. Why are you not showing the candles? So let us load our history saved that data, and let's see if it's showing up. All right, so it's out. Okay, quickly. So let's look at what we saw, what we posted, what entries were given, what is to be expected. Let's see if we will be trading synthetics today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, or within the week. So the synthetic can be very beautiful, especially with the fact that you can actually trade it even when it's weekend, just like the crypto. So this is jump 100. So it's not on our liquidity zone, so we cannot possibly see any directional bias. Let's start from the top. Volatility 25. Volatility 25 is not any liquidity zone. We can't possibly find any entry of volatility 25. But volatility 50. Now, this was the one we posted the entry, and it's still moving. Okay, so let me post update on the group. Still moving. Still moving. Strategy is so good, so beautiful. It is used both on CFDs, used both on commodities, used both on crypto, forex, and even on synthetics. Isn't that amazing? Of course, you're not seeing trend line here because this is the order, should I say, liquidity order strategy, and the other one is trend line strategy. Okay. So we have volatility 75, and is okay. It came from here down here. It looks like it's pushing up. You might find an entry on volatility 75. I'll look into it deeply. Then we'll have volatility 100, of which price is not yet on confluence. Price is not yet on our set. Until the price gets in our setup, we're not going to find any entry. So boom is failing as we thought it would go. We thought it could give us bullish move. So we're looking at and watching out for boom. Of course, it spikes upward, and that's why I'm finding bullish move. And for crash is on this liquidity side. So I'm going to see what crash does on that liquidity side before I know exactly where it is really going to. And jump 75, jump 7, jump 25. It looks like jump 25 is giving us that entry, but it looks like it's already moving because this is supposed to be its break of structure. So the price came here in the POI and it's currently on what's most likely going to be the take profit. So let's say we missed that. We can't chase candles. When candles are already moving, just let them move. Another entry is going to come, and make sure you don't feel bad about it. Jump 15 entries and jump 75. Oh, it's already moved. It's already moved. Wow. But don't worry, it's going to retrace. And when it retraces, we're going to find beautiful entries. We're going to find our beautiful entries. All right. So that is, those are the basics of which I am seeing in the forex, the crypto, the CFD, the commodities, and the synthetic markets. I've shared with you my perception. I already told you, let us know what you like us to talk about on the comment section, or a question. Okay, even if we don't talk about it in this session, we could find a greater time. This live trading session happens every Mondays, 1 p.m. GMT +1. You given the opportunity to trade with me live, and you can learn whatever you want to learn and be guided rightly. Okay, just a quick reminder. Please be reminded that we have, of course, VIP membership course, which is already ongoing. It will be the final online membership course, of which after this we will no longer have online live membership course, but rather we'll have physical live membership course in our physical centers. Okay, so if you would love to be a part of the online VIP membership course, I would like you to know that the current live training session that is on is going to be ending soon. It's going to be ending soon. Okay, so here is it. It's on the screen. It's our January Forex and Crypto mentorship course. Okay, it's going to come just after it. An exam and a test will be coming to those people who started this mentorship course from the VIP 1.0 down to 7.0. In fact, the 1.0 is from the beginner stage. It takes you straight into 7.0, which is the advanced stage. So you ought to be a professional trader once you complete the January mentorship course. That's what you ought to be. Okay, and after which we will now um, focus more on our physical centers. So for our physical center, we said we're starting up with the physical center in Abuja, after which we're going to kick off Lagos. So Abuja Physical Center starts 1st February 2025. So you can get registered if you want. Of course, you should know that it is 50,000 naira monthly. For those of you paying in dollars, international students is $26 thereabout. For you, and international students are to pay through crypto. But Nigerian students can't pay through naira or dollars, whichever means you find comfortable. That would be for the physical centers. So the other rest details you're seeing on this e-card is your subscription that gives you access to our website. Our website is www. Check the comment section of this live video, and you'll see the website. Posting it there right now. www.kfctrading.com. That's our website. So getting on the website, you will be able to just once you get it on the website, you can subscribe directly to have access to the VIP mentorship courses, starting from the beginner stage to the advanced stage. So we had it live, we had it recorded live. So it is the recorded videos of the classes we had from first month to the 7th month that you're watching. And I haven't completed these videos, you will be advanced. There's nothing that was taught throughout the VIP mentorship course. So the VIP mentorship course can kick you off from zero level to advanced level, of which after you have done that level, now in the advanced level, you can now trade with us. So like I'm having this live trading session, you trade with me live. Okay, and on the group, I'm posting updates, you're able to catch up with the updates and you're able to know what's going on. And for the physical center, you can join in with the physical centers and we can have trading hubs in the physical centers. So that's basically what we are doing. So for 2025, we came in strong. 2025 is basically for the physical centers. The Lagos Physical Center will kick off in July. Okay, get ready for that to kick off in July, and it will run pari passu. And after which we'll begin to consider some states, maybe like Ibadan, and we're going to consider Benin, Delta, Port Harcourt, and then some few countries like Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana, um, Tanzania, Kenya, Botswana, and just some beautiful, nice places in Africa. Europe, we're not eager to go into Europe. They have a lot of information already on this. So let's see how we can invest in Africa. If Europe is interested in what we have, we don't have any issues with going into Germany, America, and the UK. So, but we must be able to get the demands. Let the people there tell us, we want you to, bring what you're doing, have a physical center in our country. Then we can proceed to do that. Otherwise, it's not necessary in our mind that we must have a physical center in Europe. Would it need be? We don't mind to have it there. So have you been able to learn something from today's live trading? In case you came in late, you can actually see the video. the live video haven't been ended, you will still find the recorded version on the YouTube channel. So you can actually see it, so that you can see some of the previous things we said probably before you came in. So much has been discussed. Imagine looking at trading, my trading perception from Forex down to crypto into CFD, commodities, and synthetics. So much has been said. And I'm so grateful that in a short time, which is 40 minutes, we were able to say all of this. Now, as I close quickly, one of my mentees and students requested, or US 30 just TDP, requested that I should speak on, let me just use the US 30, that I should speak on moving average. So though during the VIP class, he was in one of the class and I mentioned it. So it's actually exponential, sorry. So I'm going to take out the other one. I'm going to take out the other one. I just want one. So he asked that I speak on moving average. So I want to do this for the sake of those that are with us in this live session. So I explained a lot of things on that VIP class, which he was on. Let me see my screen. Okay, my screen is not even being shared. Let me just go there straight up. Straight. So in that VIP class that he attended, I was able to explain a lot of things on the moving average. I started by letting him know that the moving average is a strategy, just like any other strategy. What you see on the screen, even when I was teaching you and talking to you about my perception in the market, and my strategy, I have two strategies. I have two strategies I created. I have the first strategy I call the trend line liquidity strategy, or the trend liquidity strategy, which is what you're seeing on the screen. I use it for US 30, I use it for US oil, I use it for US 100, I use it for NASDAQ, I use it for GJ, which is GBP, JPY, I use it for EJ, which is Euro, that's Euro JPY, I use it for EG, which is Euro GBP, because those forex pairs and commodities and CFDs, they can just trend. So I prefer to use trend liquidities to follow them. So the other strategy I use is what I call the liquidity order strategy. So is it a bearish order or a bullish order, right? So I draw those blocks, which can be called order blocks, and I use them to spot the liquidities, and I'm able to trade it from there. And I do that with what we call with the forex pairs. I do it with GU, that's GBP USD. You can see my blocks, and I do the same thing with that strategy with EU. If you look at EU, you can see the blocks as well. So I use that on EU, GU, and gold. Those are the only uh, places I use. That's EU, GU, and gold. Okay, EU, GU, and gold, and it has helped us so much. Beautiful strategy, and we've been winning high winning rate. The other strategies that you may find me using, like the one I use on AU, is not my strategy, it's someone's strategy. Okay, I have a lot of people's strategy I learned in the past, and once in a while I can use them, just using them because I know this strategy, I mastered the strategy. So this beautiful good trader in Instagram, who is very profitable, posted how he trades weeks, and that's how I use on AU. I only tried it out on AU. It's not my strategy. So those are the strategies I use. Of course, there's Jeffrey Bence's strategy, psychological level. I use that also once in a while, but for some time I haven't, used that. So all of these things are strategy. When you come back to the moving average, which I was talking to you about on US 30 screen, the moving average is a strategy. And let me use a screen that is blank so you can see it very clear. Let's go to Tesla. Can you see it now? The moving average is a strategy. When a moving average, when the candles play on the moving average, it's a confirmation of a trend. like what you see the candle skin here, and they're playing on the moving average. It's a confirmation of a trend. When they break below the moving average, the confirmation that there may be a reversal, okay, or a consolidation, or a retracement. So each time price breaks to the upside, it's an indication that there may be some kind of bullish trend, like what you see here. You see here, you see it here. If it breaks downward, it's an indication that there may be some level of bearish trend, like what you see here, downward. So the moving average is like a line that moves in a certain direction, that probably guides you to see that this is the direction of the market. It is a strategy. And I did advise you, if you're going to use the moving average, make sure you are using it as your strategy. Don't try to come use moving average. You want to use my as Victor's strategy. You want to use Habi's strategy. You want to use Jeffrey Bezos' strategy. You want to use Chantel FX strategy. You want to use Kira FX strategy. You want to use Kojo FX strategy. You want to use Willis FX strategy, Willis Capital or Willis FX strategy. All of these people are different mentors with different strategies, including me. Do not mix up strategies. If you're going to use moving average, use only moving average. Master it. It will give you winnings. By the time you mix it up with my strategy or another strategy, depending on how you were able to create the strategy around the moving average, okay? Outside that, do not cross strategies, because every strategy has its winning period and its losing period. When you mix different strategies at the same time, you mix the winning and the losing, and you're not able to proper monitor the winning period and the losing period, because that's what makes proper management in trading. And that's what make you a good trader or a good trade manager. Okay, when you're able to manage the winning times, the winning periods, and the losing periods, you're going to have a problem. You're going to have a problem. So please do not mix many and several strategies. Stick to one strategy. If it's no longer working, haven't back tested to see it's no longer working, then get another strategy. So that's what I'm going to speak concerning the moving average. This is with regards Mr. Alex, who asked me to speak on the moving average. Outside that, I'm done for today's live trading session. I didn't want us to use more than 50 minutes, and lo and behold, this is just 47 minutes. So we are right on time, and we are done for today. So just in case you would love to be part of our VIP sessions, then get on the website. It's very easy. www.akfctrading.com is on the comment section of this video. Get on that website, get subscribed, and get it into the membership courses and start the course immediately. Or you want to join the groups. The groups are there. So you check the website on the menu button, you see the VIP channel, the free channel, whether Telegram or WhatsApp. You get into any of them and you get all our updates, all our signals, and everything happening in the community. So join the community today and get to know what's happening in the community. Okay? Except you're in the community, you might not get the updates of what's going on. So I wish you well this week. Make sure you make good money in trading this week. Be guided rightly with all the things we do. Okay? Be guided rightly. Make good money this week. And as we come to Friday, the closure of the week, for our weekly review, let's be reviewing and be seeing that you made a lot of money. Okay? And if need be, make sure you're studying, make sure you're learning, make sure you're researching, make sure you're investigating information about trading, and make sure you're making improvements. This is the year to make improvement and to attain good success. Okay? Until the next time we see again, which is most likely on the group for the updates, or during the weekly review, or during the VIP class, which will be holding day 6 is today. To be holding 9 p.m. GMT +1 for only those who have joined the VIP course. Until then, keep winning, keep excelling, keep doing well in trading, and turn your dreams into realities. I'm waiting for you. I'm rooting for you to make your first $1 million in trading. Have a great week. See you soon.